Namaste, viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we embark on a journey into the inspiring life of one of India's greatest spiritual leaders, Swami Vivekananda. In just 3 minutes, we'll explore the key aspects of his life that continue to influence and motivate millions around the world. So, let's dive in. Chapter number 1. Background: Swami Vivekananda, born Narendranath Datta, emerged as a prominent figure in the late 19th century. His teachings were a beacon of wisdom during a time when India was undergoing significant social and spiritual transformation. Chapter number 2. His early life. Born in 1863 in Kolkata, Vivekananda showed a deep interest in spirituality from a young age. His quest for knowledge led him to the doorstep of the great mystic Sri Ramakrishna Paramahansa. Chapter number 3. Spiritual awakening. Under the guidance of Sri Ramakrishna, Vivekananda underwent a profound spiritual transformation. His teachings emphasized the universality of religions, preaching the idea that all paths ultimately lead to the same truth. Chapter number 4. Chicago World Parliament of Religions. In 1893, Swami Vivekananda represented India at the World Parliament of Religions in Chicago. His opening words, "Sisters and Brothers of America," captivated the audience, breaking the traditional barriers and introducing the world to the richness of Indian spirituality. Chapter number 5. Message of Unity. Swamiji's message of unity and acceptance resonated globally. He emphasized the importance of embracing diversity, stating, "I am proud to belong to a nation which has sheltered the persecuted and the refugees of all religions and all nations." Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more